Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. On New Year's Eve 2023, I had the dubious pleasure of popping down the pub with an old mate of mine to watch the final Arsenal game of the year. We're both lifelong Arsenal supporters, and after a bright start in which Arsenal went 1-0 up after 4 or 5 minutes, we then proceeded to watch a complete capitulation as they basically stopped playing and Fulham were all over them. After the second Fulham goal went in, the goal which turned out to be the match winner, my mate turned to me and said, "Jesus, this is a complete shit show, not to put too fine a point on it." We often use this expression, not to put too fine a point on it, when we're speaking in a very direct, blunt and honest way. I guess it's a kind of ironic comment on sort of scathingly negative things that we've either just said or that we're going to say. So, for example, if you're in a heated discussion about something with friends, you might say, "I think you're wrong," and, not to put too fine a point on it, "I think it's a stupid decision." Listen, not to put too fine a point on things, or not to put too fine a point on it, I think your suggestions are basically idiotic and are completely worthless. You might also sometimes use it when you're telling stories. So a friend of mine recently had been telling me about a friend of a friend of a friend that she was supposed to be going on a date with. I asked how the date had gone and she said, actually, in the end, I didn't go on the date. In fact, not to put too fine a point on it, I was basically warned off that guy by people who knew him a bit better. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use not to put too fine a point on it.